A very warm welcome to our little slice of paradise, here on the southern Great Barrier Reef. My name is Danielle.
And my name's Craig. And welcome to Salt Apartments.
Salt is located right on the beachfront on the Capricorn coast, in our beachside village of Yeppoon. Only a small diversion off the Bruce Highway and under 40 kilometres from Rockhampton, the beef capital of Australia. This is where the country meets the reef and islands, and where you can unwind on our beautiful secluded beaches, or simply relax on the balcony in any of our ocean view apartments.
If you're driving up the Queensland East Coast, we're located 8 hours north of Brisbane, 6.5 hours north of Hervey Bay and Fraser Island, and 6 hours south of the Whitsundays. So a perfect stop for your East Coast drive holiday. For those not driving, you can fly or catch the train into Rockhampton and either hire a car or get a 40-minute transfer straight to our door.
Salt Apartments are self-contained and perfectly located across from the Yeppoon main beach. So you get the best seat in the house for morning coffee, watching the sunrise. We offer unsurpassed ocean views from every 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartment. So whether you're travelling solo, as a couple or as a family, we have rooms to suit your needs.
You can enjoy Salt's first-class facilities, including 2 resort-style pools, one of which is heated for all year-round use. You can also enjoy our gym facilities and take advantage of some of our beautiful beachfront dining located downstairs. Start your morning off with a caffeine fix and delicious breakfast next to a Jolt Cafe, and round out your evening with a wine or 2 and a delightful meal at the world-class View Wine Bar and Restaurant, a popular choice with our locals.
For daytime activities, step outside, and conveniently located only a short stroll from our front door, you will come across the spectacular Yeppoon Lagoon, with stunning views over the Keppel Islands from the Infinity Edge onto the Yeppoon main beach. For even more family fun, the Keppel Kraken is along the Yeppoon foreshore, just out the front of Salt, and includes a water play area and playground with picnic areas and views across to the Keppel Islands.
If stay and play is on your agenda, then you're in the right place. You can enjoy long summers and warm winters here in Yeppoon, and there's plenty of reasons to explore the Capricorn coast. Stay on the mainland and explore the award-winning must-see Capricorn Caves. Hike the local walking tracks. For something different, Byfield Rainforest is only a short 30-minute drive from us. There is so much to explore here, and picturesque recreation areas to sit back and take in the magnificent scenery.
Or if you want to get away from it all, you can hop on a 30-minute ferry across to the world-famous Great Keppel Island for a day trip to explore this stunning, secluded Great Barrier Reef island. We're sure you'll enjoy our mesmerizing views and local activities here in the magical town of Yeppoon. So stay a little longer and experience all on offer on the lovely Capricorn coast, here at Salt Apartments.